Hello. Today I have here the Mini H2O rugged Bluetooth speaker unboxing, so let's begin. Before I do start this unboxing, I want to mention that Altec Lansing sent these out for review. I asked them if they can send me out a speaker. They sent me out the speaker. So, in no way am I completely sponsored, but they did send it out. So thank you, Altec Lansing, for sending out the speaker to me. I'm definitely going to test it out some more than this. But if it's bad, it's bad. If it's good, it's good. But this speaker, I've heard one before. It is good. So, to start this off, we do have Mini H2O, IP67 waterproof and sandproof, everything proof. Floats in water, 6 hours battery life, and hands-free speakerphone, blah. So it shows it all again. Funny, Bluetooth, Android, phone, computer, iPods and tablets. The iPod was just discontinued. So what we're going to do here is we are going to... Oh, I pulled out the knife for this one, and there's nothing I need to do but go like this. Oh, that's so sad. No knife in this one. Carabiner clip. Oh. Ooh, whoa. Oh my god, that's just so light, so beautiful. So... no power cord, but I'm... oh, stickers, more stickers. Got this. We've got a good size micro USB cable and an aux cable. Pretty nice, actually. Those can go off to the side here. I'll just literally put these back in here right now. But, oh my lord, I'm in love here. Oh my lord! So, on the bottom here, you do have your aux and micro USB. Make sure it's closed before you do throw it in the water. Now you have a power button. There's not much, just two speakers here. You do have that. The heck? Weird.
Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
That sound again. They could have at least fixed it. The Mini H2O speaker. Okay. Huh. This, I like it. Okay. This thing is beautiful. It has the same options where you can do the, you can use these buttons over here to change the track and play and pause. Double tap it. It calls the last person. Whoops. Call ended. I don't know. It's beautiful. Carabiner clip. Now I'm going to test out some waterproofing. Which I have here a bucket for. So, what we're going to do is we're going to start playing a song. Wow. I have no words to,
Seeing all bits of kids going on, and the man
I have no words to describe this. So it doesn't have the best bass or anything, but in terms of just feature-wise, this is definitely worth it for the price. Link will be down below. Also, if you did like this video, please rate, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Also, stay tuned for a review, so definitely ding that bell icon. And as always, just enjoy the rest of your day.